Anyway, have you finished skinning that chicken yet?
You want to do it or me do it?
No, Pops, you're doing a very good job. But I'm just wondering, you see, because I haven't got all day.
Your face, babe.
Hi folks, welcome back to Pop's Adventures. Today you've got Peppa P on the commentary. Looking forward to this because I get a day off cooking. So today Pops, yours truly, is going to be preparing some seasoned chicken, but this is special recipe. I'm looking forward to this, so I won't be commenting all the way, but you just carry on watching and I'm sure you'll enjoy the footage. As you can see, Pops is currently skinning the chicken. That's because the seasoning soaks in better and the flavours are much better. Obviously he's going to marinate it for a while because, as every West Indian knows, if you season your food, it always tastes better. So we'll carry on watching as Pops continues to skin the chicken.
Thank you, Mrs. Pops.
I am not Mrs. Pops. I am Peppa P. Get it right? Actually, folks, that's the way we always are. You know, just laughing and joking. Because that's what life is all about. And it's so welcoming to actually watch somebody cooking for a change. But as you can see, and if you've been following Pop's Adventures, you'll realise that he does actually enjoy cooking. He just doesn't like to be asked to do it. So, wouldn't you agree, Pops?
You're right.
You see, I know him very, very well. I also know that this dinner's going to taste very nice when it's finished. So I am looking forward to it. So keep watching and keep following. And if we go quiet for a bit, don't worry. We will be back with a commentary. Okay folks, still skinning the chicken. Not sure what time this is going to be ready, but patience is a virtue and I'm very patient. Would you agree, Pops?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay, well, I suppose that's as good as I'm going to get. So Pops, what flavour can I expect on this chicken?
Hot and spicy.
Oh, but you know that I don't like too much pepper.
Well, you're gonna enjoy it.
Oh dear, so I'm in for a hot chicken. Oh well, I look forward to it just the same. I'm sure he knows what I like, so I'm sure he won't make it too hot for me. I suppose most of the viewers do like hot and spicy. And what can I expect to be served with it?
That's a surprise.
Oh, I like surprises. Well, you just have to wait and see, folks, because if I don't know, then you won't know. So, we'll have to see. Anyway, have you finished skinning that chicken yet?
You want to do it or me do it?
No, Pops, you're doing a very good job. But I'm just wondering, you see, because I haven't got all day.
Your face, babe. Right, so we're cleaning up our chicken. Now we're using some lemon. Get all the sinew off it. I think I better use another one. rid of these seeds. Okay, so here I have my seasoning. I'm ready. Right, so here's some onion I have prepared already. So I'm gonna dice up this pepper. And I shall add a little bit of this pepper, as Peppa P says she doesn't like pepper. I can't understand that. A name like Peppa P and you don't like pepper. Oh well. We'll try a little bit of Peppa P. Alright, we will put this in here. We shall add the rest of our seasoning. Right, I'll have a drop of Slap Your Mama. I love the complete seasoning. And some of our chicken seasoning. Just a drop, just a drop. Our Peppa P will definitely not be able to eat this. So I'm not adding any salt to this, because all these seasonings have quite a bit of salt in it. Alright, so I'm going to leave this now to marinate for 1 hour. Then we'll get back to it. Right, so we're gonna be browning up our chicken. Just a little bit of oil, not too much. Just turn it down a touch. And we start with our chicken. It's our well-seasoned chicken. So we put our next lot of chicken in. pepper. We're ready. And here we have our finished product. Enjoy.